How to change default video player in Android. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your settings application, tap on apps, click on app management. Now find a default media player. In my case, I have set Files by Google as default video player. Now click on Files by Google, tap on Open by default and click on Clear default preferences. Now go back to home screen, open up your file manager, go to videos, select any video, click on Don't Ask Again and select your video player. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or research topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.